Sorry for the super late recap. I'm pretty sick and had a lot to do today. Regardless of which way the market gaps on Core PCE, I'll be looking to play an IB flush on Costco, which means good earnings, came down a little bit. This is usually, I mean, these calls in the money were like 2,500, so they're going to be at a discount. Last time I remember it dropped a little off open and later in the day it surged. So I would scale in. It's kind of a play where you kind of have to take a leap of faith and just jump on it straight out of the gate or not, or wait. So I'll be looking at this. Now, as far as the overall market, main focus is going to be JPM. Can we head over there? Obviously, if the market gaps up, we're probably going to open around or above 200, which then puts that 202 level in play, maybe up to here. I don't know, we'll see. And if the market dumps, I'm probably just going to ride QQQ puts. Obviously took some in the close. If the market gaps down, I think a sell is on at least to here. Now if we open here, it gets tricky. Then I would probably want to go for a back test. Now, the reason I say that, obviously I don't know which way the market goes, but the NAMO did bounce today, even on a sell, and starting to get kind of a relief bounce curl going on here. Very interesting setup. And from a technical point, check this out while I was looking at charts. What did the VIX do today? Well, there was a small, not a big one, but there was still a VIX gap here that we did fill today, and we obviously have two VIX gaps underneath. And this is a hangman candle. I have a hard time seeing how the market's just gonna absolutely crater from VIX at 15 almost. Usually that happens when it's a little lower, but obviously anything can happen. So JPM tomorrow, Costco. IWM has had quite an impressive inflow here. No, this is not, why did it change it? IWM, even with the sell-off today, I mean, we're something's brewing over here, so worth keeping an eye on. These were the different individual tickers with their net flow. Keeping an eye on Tesla and Hood. Watch the tick at open regardless. And even though we did get end of day sell, I mean, it wasn't, they also sold some puts there in the close, so we'll see. It'll be interesting. Futures, unlike the other night, we're up actually, so very interesting. Bitcoin at 68.3. This has been coiling and coiling and coiling, and as you see, we did break out of that 1 hour wedge today. Another thing to keep an eye on, the Dixie though did come down, kind of pop in here later, but that was quite the Dixie sell. 10-year yield 4.5. Want to see that come down soon, hopefully. Otherwise, it's going up to there. With that said, I don't know exactly how the market moves tomorrow. If it's to the upside, I think Apple's in play. Pretty strong showing, actually, compared to the rest of the market today. MongoDB absolutely ate shit. I played Kava plenty, might get some action tomorrow as well. Nvidia absolutely tanked after hours, not in it currently. I did have some auto buys there, but I sold them. And then I did get lucky on some Z scaler. Let's see, did it hold? Yes, it did. I'm in the 172.5s. Another one that had a pretty strong showing today was UPST. Could be interesting in the next week here. right in the 9 on the hourly, and on the daily we actually managed to close over the daily 89 MA. So you kind of have a inverted head and shoulders here with the double bottom. Price target is the gap, possibly even gap fill, since last time we were up here we rejected the gap. So that's what I'm looking at, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless.